Hello students, now we are going to start question number 6 of Brain Teasers of chapter 2. Find the reciprocals of this is the first question. So first we have to solve this, and then whatever answer we get we have to write the reciprocal of that. Okay, so let's start 6.1. So this is the question. Okay, now here if we see, we cannot reduce 2 and 5, we cannot divide. Even 3 and 7 we cannot divide. In the cross 2 and 7 we cannot reduce, and 3 and 5 also we cannot reduce. So we will directly now multiply, as there is multiplication in between. So 2 into 3 is 6, and 5 sevens is 35, plus, and this is minus plus. Okay, so we will put what reciprocal sign, because we have to find the reciprocal. What is the question? Find the reciprocals. Okay, so what is the reciprocal of this? 35 upon 6. Okay, now we will move to the next question. Minus 4 upon 3 multiplied by minus 5 upon minus 8. So we have wrote the question, minus 4 upon 3 multiplied by minus 5 upon minus 8. I will write it once again. Okay, now here we cannot reduce 4 and 3, we cannot reduce 5 and 8, but we can reduce 4 and 8. So it's 4 ones are 4, 2s are 8. Further, nothing can be reduced, so we will multiply. So 1 into 5 is 5, minus plus 5. 3 into 2 is 3 2s are 6, plus minus 6. Then put the reciprocal sign. Now what is the reciprocal of 5 upon minus 6? It is minus 6 upon 5. Next. Okay, now we will start question number 7 of Brain Teasers. 5 upon 7 minus 2 upon 3 are in absolute values, plus 3 upon 14 minus 5 upon 7 are in absolute values. So we have to simplify this. First we will solve this inside, then again this one in inside, and whatever numbers, rational numbers we are getting, then we'll find the absolute value and then we add. Okay, so let's start. Okay, this is the question I wrote. So first we will solve inside the absolute value sign. Okay, so here it is minus, so we have to subtract this. We cannot directly subtract, we have to equalize the denominator. So I will multiply 3 here to get same denominator, and 7 here. Okay, so 5 upon 7 I wrote, I multiply by 3, this one over here. So up also I will multiply by 3. Then there is subtraction, then I will write 2 upon 3. Then I will multiply this 3 over here. So up also I will multiply by 7. Okay, next addition. Again I will open this. Right, now here again subtraction, so we have to equalize the denominator. Now 14 goes in 7 table, 7 2s are, so if I multiply only 2 over here, I will get 14. Okay, so here I will do nothing because already 14 is there. So I will write 3 upon 14 as it is, then minus 5 upon 7, and 7 into 2 I will get 14. So up also will multiply by 2. Okay, next 5 3s are 15 upon 7 3s are 21, minus 2 7s are 14 upon 3 7s are 21, plus 3 upon 14 as it is, minus 5 2s are 10 upon 7 2s are 14. Okay, now here 21 we have common, same 21, so we'll write it in common. So in the numerator what I got? 15 minus 14. So 15 minus 14 is what? 1. Okay, 15 minus 14 is 1. 15 is greater, sign of 15 is plus, so it will be plus 1. Then I write plus. Now here 14 same denominator I will write in common. Now 3 minus 10 is what? 7. Now here 10 is greater, so sign of 10 will be minus. Okay, now further I will remove them from the absolute values. So when I remove, the numbers become positive only. So 1 upon 21 will remain as 1 upon 21. Then plus sign, minus 7 upon 14 will become 7 upon 14. Okay. Now here again addition is there, so we have to equalize the denominator. So if we see 21 and 14 goes in 7 table, right? we will take out the LCM for 21 and 14. 7 3s are 21, 7 2s are 14, 3 1s are 3, 2 1s are 2. So what I get? 42. 2 3s are 6, 6 7s are 42 as the LCM. So in the denominator I should get 42. So here in the denominator what should I get? 42. So what I will multiply by 21, I will get 42. See here, 7 3s is what? 21. So what remains? 7 3s is 21. So what remains? 2. So I will multiply here. 21 into 2 is 42. So up also I will multiply by 2. Now 14. If we see 7 2s is 14. Okay, so what remains? 3. So 14 into 3 will give you 42. So up also will multiply by 3. So what I get? 2 upon 42 plus 7 3s are 21 upon 42. Now I got same denominators. Okay, so I will take 42 as common. So in the numerator I got 2 plus 21, that is 23 upon 42. Okay, so this is the answer. Next question we will see, question number 7. Simplify second question. 5 upon 11 the whole raised to minus 1, that is the reciprocal, then minus 13 upon 5 plus 3 upon 15. So we have to solve this. So let's see. So we have wrote the question. Now here if we see only this thing has the reciprocal sign. So we will solve this first and then this. Okay. So what is the reciprocal of 5 upon 11? It is 11 upon 5. We will remove this bracket and this and we will reciprocate the number. Okay. 11 upon 5. And what remains then? Minus 13 upon 5 plus 3 upon 15. Okay. So if we see, we have minus and here plus. So together we can subtract and add. So first what we have to do, we have to equalize the denominator. So if we see, we have 5, 5 and 15. So here the bigger number is 15. 15 goes in 5 table. So if we multiply 3 over here, 5 3s are 15 and here also 3 over here, 5 3s are 15. So we will get all the denominators as 15. Okay, so we will do like that only. So 11 upon 5 multiply by 3. So up also we will multiply by 3. Then minus sign, 13 upon 5 multiply by 3. Up also we will multiply by 3. Plus 3 upon 15 as it is we write, because 15 is already there. Here we required 15. So 5 3s are 5 3s are we did. Okay. Now 11 3s is 33 upon 15. 5 3s are 15 minus 13 3s is 39 upon 15 plus 3 upon 15. Now here we have equal denominators. So we will write them as common 15 and we will write the numerators. Okay. So first is what? 33. Then we have minus sign, then 39, then plus sign and then 3. Okay. So now here sign of 33 is plus, plus minus minus. 39 minus 33 is what? 6. Okay. So who is bigger? 39. What is the sign of 39? Minus. So it will be minus 6. Now what remains? Plus 3 upon 15. So now minus plus, minus plus minus. So 6 minus 3 is 3. Who is bigger? 6. Sign of 6 is minus. Minus 3 upon 15. Now 3 and 15 goes in same table. So 3 1s are, 3 5s are. So what I get? Minus 1 upon 5. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, next 7.3 is 9 upon 5 multiply by minus 2 upon 27 plus 7 upon 30. Okay, so here if we see, we have one multiplication and one addition. So first we will solve the multiplication and then we will add. Okay, so let's start. We have already wrote the question. So first we will multiply. Always whenever we have subtraction, addition, multiplication, division, we use BODMAS. Okay, DMAS. What is DMAS? First we divide or multiply whatever is there and then addition and subtraction we do. So here multiplication is there. Okay, division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. So first we'll multiply, then we will add. Okay, so I will write it again. 9 upon 5 multiply by minus 2 upon 27 plus 7 upon 30. Now here 9 and 27. So 9 ones are 9 3s are 27. Like this we cannot reduce 2 and 5. 2 and 3 we cannot reduce. So finally what I get? 1 into 2 is 2, plus minus minus. 5 3 is 15. What remains now? Plus 7 upon 30. This remains. Okay. Now there is addition. Now we have to add. So for addition, what is there? We require the denominator same. Okay. So here 30 goes in 15 table. 15 2s are 30. So if I multiply 2 here, I will get 30. Okay. If I multiply 2 here. So down I multiply 2, up also I will multiply by 2. So what I get? 2 2s are 4, minus plus minus 4 upon 15 2s is 30, plus 7 upon 30. Okay. Now 30 30 same denominators I got, so I will write it in common. In the numerator I got minus 4 and plus 7. So now plus minus minus. So 7 minus 4 is 3. 7 is bigger, sign of 7 is plus. So it will be plus 3 upon 30. Now 3 1s are 3, 10s are 30. We reduce like this. So what I get? 1 upon 10. So this is the answer. Now 7.4. Minus 7 upon 15 divide by 50 upon 3 and its reciprocal we have to find. Okay. So let's start. Okay. I wrote the question. So now here we have 7 upon 15 divided by this. Okay. So this has a reciprocal sign. Okay. So first we have to reciprocate this because it is in the brackets. We have to solve this. So I will write minus 7 upon 15 as it is, division as it is, and this will reciprocate. We'll remove this minus 1, so it will reciprocate. So it will be 3 upon 50. Okay. Now again minus upon 7 upon 15 I wrote as it is, division will become multiplication, then this will reciprocate this side. So 50 upon 3. Now we will see anything is getting reduced. 7 and 15 we cannot reduce. 50 and 3 we cannot reduce. 7 and 3 we cannot reduce. This we can reduce. 15 and 50 goes in 5 table. So keeping 5 in mind, 5 3s are 15, 5 10s are 50. Okay. Now further 10 and 3 we cannot reduce, and 7 and 3 also we cannot reduce. So we will directly now multiply. So 7 into 10 is 70, minus plus minus 70 upon 3 3s are 9. So what I get? Minus 70 upon 9. Okay, so we have completed question number 7 of Brain Teasers. Okay, now we are going to start question number 8 of Brain Teasers, divide. So we have to divide these sums. Okay, let's see what is the first question. The sum of 5 upon 21 and 4 upon 7 by their difference. What is that? Divide the sum of 5 upon 21 and 4 upon 7. So first we have to find out what sum, matlab addition. Sum they have given, we have to 5 upon 21 plus 4 upon 7 we have to do. Okay. From what we have to divide? By their difference. Then again we have to subtract this. First we will add. How we come to know sum of they have written? So 5 upon 21 plus 4 upon 7. We will find the answer for that. Then again by the difference, matlab 5 upon 21 minus 4 upon 7. The other answer we will find out. And then we will divide that. Okay. So let's start. Okay. So we have wrote the question. Divide the sum of this by the difference. So first we will find the sum of this. Okay. This and this sum. Okay. So 5 upon 21 plus 4 upon 7. Okay. So here again for adding what we require, same denominators. So I have to equalize the denominator. So what I will do, I will multiply 3 over here. 7 3 is 21. So when I multiply 3 here, I will get 21 over here. So into 3. So up also I will multiply by 3. Okay. Next. So 5 upon 21 plus 4 3s are 12 upon 21. Now I have same denominator, so I will write it as common. In the numerator I got 5 plus 12. So what is 5 plus 12? 17. So what I got? 17 upon 21 for the sum of this. Now what? By their difference. So what is difference? We have to subtract this. Okay. This is the one number we got. We have to divide na sum and their difference. Now we will find the difference. So again I will write 5 upon 21 minus 4 upon 7. Here sum we did. Now here we are going to see the difference. Difference means subtract. Okay. So again when we subtract, we require same denominators. So same thing I will do. I will multiply by 3 over here. So I will get 21. So up also I will multiply by 3. So what I get? 5 upon 21 minus 12 upon 21. Okay. Now here 21 21 common I will write. 5 minus 12 is what? 7. Okay, now who is bigger? 12. What is the sign of 12? Minus. So what I get? Minus 7 upon 21. Okay, now this is the difference, answer for difference we got. Now what is the main question? Divide. So we have to divide this. Okay, so I will take 17 upon 21, this one, divide by this, minus 7 upon 21. Okay, so again 17 upon 21, division will become multiplication, then this number will reciprocate, 21 upon minus 7. Okay, further we cannot reduce like this, also we cannot reduce like this. See, like this 21 and 21 is getting cancelled, and 17 and 7 we cannot reduce. So finally what we get? 17 into 1 is 17, and down I have minus 7. Okay, so what I get? 17 upon minus 7. This minus 7 goes up. I will get minus 17 upon 7 as the answer after division. Okay, so now we will move to the next question. Question number 8, second question. The difference of 12 upon 5 and minus 16 upon 20 by their product. So we have to divide what? Difference of these two. Okay, first we have to find difference of these two rational numbers. We have to subtract. After getting that answer, again by their product, again we have to multiply. Product means we have to multiply. Then when we get that answer, then we have to divide it. Okay, so let's start question number 8.2. Okay, so first what we have to find? The difference of 12 upon 5 and minus 16 upon 20. So let's start. 12 upon 5 minus 16 upon 20. Now I directly wrote 12 upon 5 minus 16 upon 20. They have told what? The difference of. Sometimes they say that subtract 12 upon 5 from 16 upon 20. When from comes, that time we take this over here. Okay, but right now it's nothing there, so directly we are subtracting. So here when we have to subtract, we require same denominators. Here if we multiply 5 by 4, we will get 20. We require same denominators. Okay, so 20. So what I will write it again. 12 upon 5 multiply by 4. 5 4 is 20. So up also will multiply by 4. Sorry, minus 16 upon 20. Okay, this is this minus. Okay, minus 16 upon 20. So 12 4 is 48 upon 20 minus 16 upon 20. This will keep as it is. Already we have 20. Now 20 and 20 we'll write it as common. So what we have? 48 minus 16. This minus and minus 16. So 48 minus plus 16 upon 20. Okay, minus plus. Now we will add. So what we get? 64. 8 plus 16 14. 64 upon 20. Okay. Further we can reduce this. 4 table both 64 and 20 goes. So 4 1s are 4. 4 6 are 12. 4 16s are 64 and 4 5s are 20. So what we get? 16 upon 5. Okay, this is the difference answer we got. Okay, now we found out the difference. Now by their product we have to divide what? Difference of this by their product. So what is product? Multiplication. So again we have to multiply this. So I will write again 12 upon 5 multiply by minus 16 upon 20. Okay, so I will write it again because we have to reduce. 5 upon 25 multiply by minus 16 upon 20. Like this we cannot reduce. Like this we can. Like this also we can reduce. Okay, so if 16 and 20 we take, 16 and 20 goes in 4 table. So keeping 4 in mind, 4 4s are 16, 4 5s are 20. Okay, so what we got? Further we cannot reduce this. We cannot reduce this. Like this also 12 and 5 we cannot reduce, and 4 and 5 we cannot reduce. So directly now we'll multiply. So 12 4s is 48 plus minus 5 5s is 25. Okay, so what we got? 48 minus 48 upon 25 for the product. So divide the difference of this. So difference what we got, 16 upon 5 by their product. So product what we got, minus 48 upon 25. So we are going to divide this. So how we will do, we write 16 upon 25, sorry 16 upon 5, this one I took, divide by this minus 48 upon 25. Okay, division. Now again I will write 16 upon 5, division will become multiplication and this will reciprocate. So it will become 25 upon minus 48. Okay, now we will see, is it getting reduced? So 16 and 48, 16 1s are 16, 3s are 48. Okay, here 5 1s are 5, 5s are 25. Okay, so now nothing is getting reduced, 5 and 3 cannot reduce. So we will multiply, 1 into 5 is 5, 1 into 3 is 3, signs minus minus plus, plus minus minus. So we don't keep minus down in the denominator, so it will be minus 5 upon 3 after dividing. Okay, minus 5 upon 3. So in this way we have completed question number 8 of Brain Teasers. Okay, now we are going to start question number 9 of Brain Teasers. Find reciprocal of this equation. Okay, so we have to solve this, and when we get the answer we have to reciprocate that. Okay, so let's see question number 9. So we have written the question, so we'll start. Now here multiplication, addition, division, multiplication you have. Okay, here we are going to use the DMAS. Okay, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction. So we don't have subtraction, but we have division, multiplication, addition in this. Multiplication, addition, division. So first we will start with division. Okay, so I will write as it is, minus 2 upon 3 multiplied by 5 upon 7 plus 2 upon 9. Everything I wrote as it is. Now division. First we are going to do division. So this will become what? Multiplication. So this one will reverse. So it will become 3 upon 1. And then multiply by 6 upon 7 as it is I wrote. Now here it gets cancelled. See, 3 1s are reduced. 3 1s are 3, 3s are 9. Right? Now here also we can reduce. 2 and 7 we cannot reduce, 3 and 5 we cannot. Wherever there are multiplication we will just check whether to reduce. 2 and 3 we cannot reduce, 5 and 7 we cannot reduce. 2, 7, 3, 5 nothing we can reduce. Here we reduce, 3 1s are 3, 3s are 9. Here we cannot reduce. Okay, so now we will write, we will multiply now this one first. 2 in, because there is multiplication in between. 2 5s are 10, minus plus minus, 3 7s are 21. Okay, now plus sign will come as it is. Here is what? 2 1s are 2, 3 1s are 3, into 6 upon 7 will come as it is. Okay, now if here we see 3 and 6 multiplication. After division we will start now multiplication. So here we can reduce, 3 1s are 3, 2s are 6. Okay, so now what we got? Minus 10 upon 21 plus 2 2s are 4 and 1 into 7, 7. 4 upon 7 we got. Okay, now we have addition in between. So here nothing is going to reduce directly. What we require here, same denominators. So 21, 7 how much are 21? 7 3s are. Same denominators we require. So I will multiply by 3 here, I will get 21 in the denominator. So up also will multiply by 3. So minus 10 upon 21 plus 4 3s are 12 upon 21. So I have now same denominators, I will write it in common. So in the numerator I got minus 10 plus 12. Okay, so plus minus, minus 12 minus 10 is 2 and upon 21. 12 is bigger number. What is the sign? Plus. So I will keep it plus 2. Now here the question was, find the reciprocal of this. Okay, so what answer we got? 2 upon 21. So we will reciprocate. We'll write the reciprocal of this. So it will be 21 upon 2. Got it? So this is the answer. So in this way we have completed Brain Teasers.